gonna be demolished. All we have to do is press the button. Boom! These old plants will collapse in a blink of an eye. And then a new park is gonna be built right on this spot.
Whoa, that sounds like magic to me. I gotta stay here and watch this thing.
Uncle Waddles, this isn't a movie we're talking about.
But I've seen such things in the movies before.
Those are just special effects, Uncle Waddles. Now we're having a real explosion right here. It could be devastating.
Wait, check it out.
Whoa.
Wow, what a lovely kitten. Oh no, why would she be playing in such a dangerous building?
Huh?
The poor kitten must have got lost and can't find her way home.
Huh? You see what it's like down there, man? We gotta get her out. Hey, we gotta.
What? No, we can't go in there. The building is gonna be blasted away to rubble any minute. It's too risky to get so close. I'm not putting our lives in danger. It's just not worth it.
But Master.
I'm on your side, Free Range. There are 10 minutes left before the explosion. We can save this kitten if we hurry up. And I've got the floor plan of the building. Well, no time to lose, Free Range. Let's go get this kitten out of there.
Fine, Frybaby, let's go do it.
No way! You don't have my consent. As master here, I'm gonna make sure you're all right and out of potential dangers. Huh? Hey, Small Fry, Free Range, you get back here now!
Now Free Range and Small Fry are gone. That leaves Uncle Waddles here all on his own. This is our chance, Glutton.
Yeah, without Free Range and Small Fry, Uncle Waddles is helpless this time.
Tonight we're having roast chicken for sure. Let's go.
Well, I hope they don't learn their lesson too hard.
Waddles! Hey! Have one last look at the beautiful world, Waddles. Because tonight, you're gonna be in my belly.
Hey, look, Slim. Uncle Waddles escaped through the hole.
That old chicken! He ain't got no sportsmanship. I ain't even finished my lines. Now, Glutton, go get him. Hurry!
Yeah.
Frybaby. Small Fry, like, where do we go now?
We'll go up the stairs over there.
Free Range! Wait for me!
Whoa, Uncle Waddles, I knew you cared about that little kitty.
Kitten? Of course I don't care about the kitten. It's the weasels, guys!
Weasels?
Huh? Snack time and knuckle sandwiches are on the menu, man.
Leave them alone, Free Range. You two go up the stairs over there. The kitten is right there on the 3rd floor.
But guys, didn't you hear me? The weasels are on their way!
Don't worry. Just leave the 2 silly weasels to me. All right, the clock is ticking. You two hurry up.
All right, Small Fry, you stay and hold him off. Uncle Waddles, let's move.
Small Fry, you take good care of yourself, you hear? Okay, goodbye. Wait up, Free Range!
You two stinky weasels. Up for a little game?
I saw Uncle Waddles running this way. Where'd he go?
He's got to be around here.
Where'd he go? I don't see him, Slim.
You idiot! He must be hiding somewhere. It wouldn't hurt a bit if you could just use your brain. Yeah, you really are.
That hurts, Slim.
Getting on my nerves, Glutton.
It's showtime.
That was close.
Over here.
Small Fry, how dare you?
Hey! Take this.
We are the undefeatable weasels!
Huh? Sheer luck. Let's see how lucky you are with this one.
You annoying little thing!
Two stupid weasels. I'm over here. Come get me.
Glutton, go get her!
Go
Charge!
Yoo-hoo! Yoo-hoo! Like cat!
This place is gonna explode! Free Range, let's get out of here!
Dude, like, how can we leave? We don't have the cat. We gotta get her.
Come on, Free Range, let's go!
Oh!
What's going on? Oh, get this thing off of me! Oh.
Huh?
Get into my belly! Hey! Stop running!
Come here!
Stay right there, small fry!
Look at you!
Small fry! Yeah! Come here! Where'd she go? Oh!
This is a little payback for messing with me.
That really hurt. Hey, what'd you stop
Oh,
for?
Slim, over there!
What? What is that?
Hi.
Run for it!
Let's call it a day.
Fry baby!
Over here! What perfect timing! I just sorted those pesky weasels.
Mission accomplished. We got the little cat.
That's great! Where is she now? Let me see!
Right here. Oh.
Huh? You've got to babysit again.
I can't help my animal magnetism.
Uncle Waddles, I didn't know you had it in you, dude.
Huh? Oh, hey, Kitty, you know, we've come here to save your life by risking our own. Oh no, how much time is left?
Less than 3 minutes.
Then let's get out of here right away.
Take it easy, Uncle Waddles. We'll make it.
Whoa, what's going on here?
Wait, it's the weasels.
You ain't going nowhere, little chickens! Prepare to meet your
They
doom!
never give up.
Oh, it's those two stinking weasels again! Don't they know this place is about to explode any minute now? Oh, but I guess I'd rather be blown up into a million pieces than be eaten by Slim and Glutton! Oh, little kitten, I'm so sorry, but there's nothing we can do now!
Are they gonna surrender or not? Time to show them what we're really made of! Huh.
Look over there, Slim. Look at that thing.
Ah! Ah!
Get on that thing! Ow!
Yay! Good job, Free Range!
Free range, Uncle Waddles. We'll stop right here.
Okay, little kitten, go find your way home. Oh, it tickles.
Hey, little cat. We know you've grown quite attached to us, and we're fond of you as well. But a dude's got to make his own way in this world, right?
It tickles. Oh, good kitten. You're so cute.
Goodbye.
So long.
Take care, little kitten.
Whoa, that's one cute cat.
Oh no, the blasting's
Huh?
about to begin. How much time do we have left?
Only 10 seconds.
Oh, great. We don't want to miss such a rare occasion. Let's hurry up.
Sometimes I just don't get him.
Oh, that's far enough! Oh, that's it! I'll make sure the chickens, you pay for all of this!
That's it. I'll make sure the chickens pay for all this.
Don't you wait what I say!
Oh.
Huh? Where are we? I guess we'll see you in the next episode.
快快站起望远镜，看着可别眨眼睛。 手猛地抓住一道霹雳。不管是在夏威夷或南极，或在哪里就有冒险 party。深呼吸，多个陷阱，一起踩着雨都在火上滑冰。
悄悄地靠近你，别想跑，我一定要抓到你。
挺起手，别再犹豫，在大草原上驾驶着轰炸机。
睁开眼，这是哪里？正待在鲸鱼肚子里。